don't want to get clean. That's stinky. Pss, 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 pss. What are you doing? Used this before. Car a little bit, you know? I like this. Okay, those are my pliers. Just a little elbow grease. What the? White clubs? No. I'll look at that in a sec. Let's read this. Oh. Wow, there's no in and out play between the FCP Euro. And then this manifold. Oh yeah, they go inside. This gasket actually wasn't really in bad shape. This is actually looks pretty nice. The downpipe. As for the turbo, wastegate's a little bit of surface rust, but yeah, but when you move it back and forth from inlet to exhaust, there's not supposed to be any shaft play. And side to side is really none, but it's so hard to tell. But in and out, might be able to hear that, but that's how you know the turbo's gonna be going bad. I mean, I'm sure I could have kept this on here for maybe 10, 20,000 more miles. I mean, I don't know if it would have blown up or not, but we don't want that. So we'll see what we do with this. So we got to take the manifold off, we'll clean it, and then we'll install the new studs onto the new turbo. Are you recording already? Wiggle it out. All right, honey.
Good job.
There you go. A little bit of oil. Just a little bit of oil. That much coming out. It's got a little oil screen here. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna break my knuckles on this. Okay. So now, come on over here.
Okay.
This is the command station.
What are we doing?
We have to take these bolts off in a certain order, inside out. So I'm gonna need you to read me
Oh gosh.
what's what here.
Okay.
Okay. We need a breaker bar.
Bringing out the big guns, huh?
All right. So what do you say, top, center first?
Yeah. Oh. Here.
That's scientific. Oh, we're gonna have to do this also in the reverse order, and we have to tighten them all like from the outside in, right? And we have to do them all one specific torque, and then angle, and then another angle, and it's gonna feel like we're breaking them.
Oh, sorry, I just got a little distracted. Yeah, it sounds like you're actually breaking
Snapping it?
things. Going to the side, but it doesn't. And after that, you go the next one down. Bottom left.
Next.
Top.
Excuse me?
Sorry. Okay, top right.
Okay.
Then bottom.
Oh, Jesus. That's everything?
Yeah. Now it doesn't matter, right? You can just take any of them.
Roll.
Okay, here you go.
Still have parts of... We'll just pick it up. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have to transfer those to whatever. Oh. This. That's connected over there. So do we? Alright. And we obviously very much.
Well, you're not keeping this, right?
No.
You want to toss it?
No, but I want to take before and after videos of each part. Here, I'll take it. Be gentle. That wasn't hard.
Why is there a Dixie cup in your oil?
Needed it to oil when I was trying to do a combustion test. I was pouring oil to see if it would help with. We know that. Oh my God, there's a bolt missing. Yeah. Like it was taken off and they wrote on it and then they sold it. But we're gonna reuse this. And it's not that hard to get to if we have to replace it. It's not a big deal. It was seized. I got a new turbo because that's very hard to get to. Pretty much everything is new. I mean, I know that was replaced. You can tell that it was replaced. It was working fine. We'll see. Turn this over. Oh, I see the issue. What do we have here? Silly.
You look cute.
All right, what do we think we have going on here? What do you think is the issue?
These two guys?
Do you think they're supposed to be like that?
No, because everything else is not like that.
Yeah.
One of these things is not like the other.
Yep, and that's why this is cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. Cylinder 1.
And this is the one that had like zero
compression.
compression.
Yep. We could have put the whole engine back together and let it run terribly, and it would run on 3 cylinders. Literally would run on 3 cylinders.
That's not how that's supposed to work, though.
But that's not how it's supposed to work, exactly. We could have been horrible people and sold this car to somebody and been like, hey, it runs a little rough, and we put a bunch of new parts on it, though, good luck. But we would never, right? We do it the right way. So we took the whole car apart, and we made sure that this is going to be either your new sports car, or it's going to be sold to somebody and done the right way with all new parts and really high quality parts. And we go through and we do all the wire edits. So while we were in there, we're doing everything. We're cleaning the engine. We're putting all new gaskets in that normally people wouldn't do, so that there's no oil leaks and there's going to be no other issues. So when people down the road have a problem with stuff that we replaced, there's going to be no hiccups or anything like that. So obviously, we know that there's been valves. We're gonna check cylinder 1 to make sure there's no damage on cylinder 1. And the rest of these, there was a little bit of compression issues on cylinder 3. You can see there a little bit. This is pretty normal in terms of carbon buildup because this is fuel injected. So that's it.